Dear learners, so after completing everything, we are going to create these types of poster. Just see, it's a poster. It's look like a professional poster. Okay, so this is a poster for an institution, and if you need to create these types of poster for your project or for your for anything actually, so how we can do it? How we can do a professional poster like that? It's looking like we have created this poster with some professional software or anything, but by using PowerPoint we have created that. So let's start how we can create a poster like that. So to create these types of poster, first of all we have to take a slide, and from here I'm just going to take a blank slide. So you can remember that after taking a blank slide we need to take a exact size. So for that, where we'll go to a design, then slide size, and we'll go custom size. And here I'll just close it, and I'll come to our that project, and here which types of or what is the size of that slide. So I'll just go here design, and I'll go here custom view. Just see, that was a 4:3 size slide, and that was 7.5 inch into 10 inch. Okay, so I'll close it. I can come here, I'll go here custom, I just see it, and it will be like that, portrait, and maximize or ensure fit or maximize, it's okay. Just see, we have taken a slide like that, and size are same. Now I'll copy that text from here. Just I'll simply copy that text and I'll paste it here. Okay, and what I have done actually here, I have, after writing the text, I have selected it and I have changed its color as per requirement. Okay, so I provided that color, and here after selecting that I have taken another color for it. It's totally depend on you that how you want to show it. So after that, the image I have taken, I'll copy that image. What you can do actually, you can insert your image from here. We know how to insert that image, so I'll paste it here and see, and after coming here we'll move that image to here like that, and by entering I will make our text. Okay, it's done. When it's done, now I'll go here, and from here I'll take that text. So I'll text this text as a text, no problem. So I'll take, then we can go here shape format, and from here we can take a text like that, and we'll take the color. Okay, and after that we'll go here, sorry, we'll go for text color, and it will be like that, and I'll broaden it and I'll zoom it as per requirement. I'll see the size from here. Our size was 48. I'll select all of them by pressing Ctrl+A, and then it will make it 48, and it will be in center. So I'll check it again, sorry, and in our top on was 48 and bottom was 32. 48, okay. We'll select the bottom text and we'll take it as a 32, and we'll move it here. We'll rearrange later. Now we'll come here and we'll take this image. Now what we have done actually here, I'll double click here. The image was like, click crop, and first of all I'll take this option, we'll make it uncropped, and actually we'll make how the image was actually. So this was our image was like that, Okay, and if I just go here, no border was available, and picture effect, no effect. So our image was like that. Okay, I will what we'll do, so before image we had something, we had a circular box like that. Okay, we have circular box like that. So what we'll do, I will just come here and I will take a circle here. Okay, now select it. If I show you here, what is the box? The only one box. Now if I double click here, we will change the color. So we have which color we have taken here. So this color we have taken, or we can take here. Okay, this color we have taken this color. So I'll just come here, the color, or we'll go here and we'll change the color from here. And it's better by coming here shape format, then it's okay if we take some color like that. Okay, it's okay. Now after taking this color, again I'll take it. So if we have taken this color actually. So actually totally depend on you that how you will color. From here we'll press Ctrl Z to back, and by clicking here field format. Okay, so this one. Now we'll use some effect, shape effect. From here we'll take that color. This was our actual color actually. Now we'll click on it and we'll go for shape effect, and we'll create some shadow or some reflection actually, or some glow like that. Okay, so and we'll remove that border. Maybe they have no border. Okay, we'll remove that border. So no border, and again I'll go here to our shape effect, glow, the others color or anything. So it's okay. When it's okay, now I can make it little bit bigger here, and I'll go for that image. So here our image was here. I'll copy it, and after that I'll paste it here. Okay, now we'll reset this image. For that we'll make it first of all we'll crop it here. We'll make it as soon as as possible as rectangle. So for that what we can do, I can provide here 3:3. Okay, so then I will move that image here. Done. Click here, crop. After that take a shape, or which types of shape you want to take. And if we go here, okay, now I'll double click here, and we can remove the effect, image effect, or here, or shadow, no shadow, like that. So after that we'll take it, place it here. Just see, so the previous shape, maybe they have some issue with that shape. Okay, so this is the way to make our first part. We have created our first part. Now we'll go for second part. So this is the second part. They have two arrangement. You see, in bottom they have one arrangement, and in top we have another arrangement. So how we can do it? It's very easy. it's very easy. So to create that, I'll just go here and again take it. Okay, to create that, we'll take I'll take that option, curve. So from here, how it's look like. Okay, I'll come here, and from here, suppose here I'll take a line here, again click somewhere else, again click somewhere else, and suppose just click here. Okay, by pressing Ctrl, now I'll just come here, and after coming on that point, we move it here. Now it's totally depend on you that how you will adjust it. If you think that if you need to make it more sloppy here, then we can do it. So to do it, I think it's not perfect. So for that, we can click edit shape, then edit point, and if we click here, and if you need to adjust the shape with use distance, then we can do it like that. Okay, like that. Otherwise also you can move it. Okay, now we'll take a copy of it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Just see, if we take a copy and if we make it little bit smaller, then we'll see a overlap. This is our first one and this is our second one. So for first one, I'll double click here, I'll take a shape and I'll go here and I'll make it very soft or like that. Also by clicking here, I'll make it little bit glory or here and here. We'll take it here, and after that I'll take this color. Sorry, we'll go for shape fill. I'll select that one. We'll go to shape fill. Okay, so it's done. Now same in the same way you can create that. So I'll just copy it so that we can save some time. Just Ctrl paste and I'll move it here. The same way we have created like that, we can Ctrl. Okay, and now I'll take a picture for that position. So I'll take that one. I'll copy it. I'll paste it here. So as I have already shown you that how we can create a format like that, so you can create it as per your requirement actually. Okay, so when it's done, now here is just simple text. Also I'll copy it because I believe that after completing this course you'll be able to create that text as per your requirement. So here, and finally if I just go here, so this is the information how I actually have taken. I have read it. So I have taken a shape from here, this shape or this shape. It's totally depend on you that which one you will use. So it is better use this shape, and after that I have taken that shape here. Yeah. And if I zoom it, and by clicking that yellow box you can make it more sharp or anything actually. Now double click here, write information. Okay, so and after zoom out, I'll zoom out it by pressing Ctrl, and I'll click here for shape fill actually. So by clicking here we can provide any shape fill or color you need, and Is that as outfill, then we'll go for shape fill. And what is the color here? Now for information, I can copy it to reduce some time. I'll select it, I'll delete it. Just in this way you can write it here. Now here I have taken a single line, just this line, actually nothing but this line. And what is the color? Color as I'll double click here, and from here take a color as per your requirement. Now take a text box here and write it, be a proud student of, just from here you can write it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So here is the text. So what I have done, I have just placed this text here, zoom it or make it perfect placement, and copy it by pressing Ctrl, move it to copy it again, and write here the another part. Okay, so this is the way. And in the bottom we have provided some educational contact information. So from another slide I'll take it, I'll copy it, Ctrl here, copy here, come here and place it here. So actually we have no extra time here, space. You can manage it as per your requirement. I think I can move it little bit up. I can move it little bit up by moving it here. So move it here. Okay, one by one move it again, move it here. First of all, move it now. Here. Okay, so and then move it to here. See, we can move a little bit button. And if we use the sliding option, just see a professional slide. What I can do, I can a little bit move it top. We can little bit move. Okay, and also by selecting that text we can move it up. Now if we go here, just see here is the actually how easily we have created a professional shape of this data. So in this way you are able to create your any slideshow or anything. Actually when you are creative, then you are able to do anything. You are able to create any types of slide you want to create. I think so actually. And hope you have learned a professional course with basic to advanced situation, and I hope you will be happy with your work, with our work, and you will provide some review to us with positive manner. And if you have any problem, if you need to know anything further, then don't forget to contact with us. Directly contact with us. We'll try to help you as soon as possible. So thank you very much. Stay connected till our next course, and we have another more professional course, so I have to add to it. Thank you very much.